Hello, do you know where this place is? It is the famous Pinnacle Desert here in Perth, Australia. Can you hear the noise from the wind? It is so strong. I parked my car somewhere at the main entrance, so now I'm walking towards the pinnacles. So how far it is to drive here from Perth City area? It is 2 hours roughly. And this is what the pinnacles look like here. Lots of pinnacles. It is 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and now I'm not sure where am I walking to. Just walking randomly to find where all the people are. So I'm not sure if I'm lost or not. The wind here is blowing quite strong. You can hear the sound even with this camera that has a very good audio reduction, wind reduction, but you can still hear the wind. I wanted to drive the car in, but because I rented a two-wheel drive, so I couldn't drive in case it gets stuck somewhere here in the sand. Still walking randomly, just finding the path to see where everyone is. What's special here is that there are thousands of pinnacles here, and some of the pinnacles can go up to 5 meters in height. 他指着那一边过，可以过得到没？不要跑那一边，你可以塞很远进去。Plants look quite special. Just following the trail of the car here, so let's see where does it go. 哦，是这边哦。你可以耐吗？哦，原来是在这上边。Okay, I think this is the main area. I'm seeing more pinnacles here, and there's a sign, and I see some people somewhere in the front. Bring some sunblock because it's quite hot, and also a hat just to cover from the sun. Lots and lots and lots of walking around, but it's quite fun. Some of the people who come here stay overnight and do some stargazing to take photos of the star. The stones here look different, as if they have their own identities. If you have a four-wheel drive, you can drive to that particular area to park your car and just walk around here. It will be easier than walking from the main entrance area. So how long does it take to explore most of the pinnacles here? Roughly around 1.5 hours, and you get to see most of the pinnacles here. The only entrance fee you pay is when you drive your car into this area here. That's where you pay your entrance fee. and you can just explore freely around. Some of the tourists in front of us, or maybe locals. Lots of plants, but lots of pinnacles. Here is Jenny's Tan. She's sitting on a pinnacle, and this pinnacle looks unique. At every moment that you're hearing the wind blow, the sand is blowing around, and I can feel some of the sand on my face. So, if you do not mind the sand, this is a great place to visit. That is a bucket hat that I got from McDonald's that is specially exclusive to McDonald's Australia. I think that is a cool bucket hat because it is special with lots of different McDonald's characters around it. So as you can see, that's how strong the wind is here. Even the bucket hat cannot withstand the wind's speed. As I am walking around the pinnacles here, I feel like I am in a set of Dune movie and the worm is going to come out at any time. Some of the tourists enjoying the time here too, I guess. It is quite enjoyable with lots of wind blowing. is it worth to come here to the Pinnacles Desert? The answer is yes, because this is a once in a lifetime trip and you get to see lots and lots of pinnacles. It's amazing how so many pinnacles can just show up in one area. Hope that you like this video and do subscribe to the channel. I did not do any wind reduction noise here in this particular video, just to let you hear what it is like to be here at the Pinnacle Desert. You can easily spend around 2 hours, 1.5 to 2 hours here at the Pinnacles, but do make sure to get your food eaten first before you come here to the Pinnacles, because while I was driving here I did not see many places where you can get your food. It is time to head back to the parking lot, and there's a shortcut here that I did not know early on. When I arrived here from the entrance, I took the long walk to this Pinnacle area, but there's a shortcut somewhere here around bushes. There's a gallery somewhere around here where you can go and learn about the pinnacles and how they are formed, and anything to do with the pinnacles you can find it at the gallery.